Have you ever tried conducting fruit fly experiments in a biology lab? Did you notice how they can be smelly, messy, and time-consuming? Or how difficult it can be to achieve accurate results? For educators, the challenge is even greater, as they must find a dedicated space to facilitate the experiment. To solve this problem, Anatomage offers the Science Table by Anatomage. This innovative digital lab platform allows students to conduct virtual experiments in biology, chemistry, and physics. Today, we will explore one of the experiments, the fruit fly experiment. With the Science Table by Anatomage, students can engage in fruit fly experiments without dealing with unpleasant odors or mess. The entire process is digitally simulated, eliminating the need to handle flies or maggots. This creates a hygienic environment where students can focus solely on learning. In addition, schools don't need to worry about finding a dedicated lab space for these experiments. Students can observe and interact with every stage of the experiment, from gathering flies to breeding them, all in one convenient digital environment. The fruit fly experiment on the Science Table allows teachers and students to instantly simulate experiments without the need for physical setup or searching for real flies. This enables more efficient learning, allowing teachers to focus their time on instructing students. The virtual environment allows students to visually analyze the autosomal and sex-linked inheritance patterns of fruit flies. They can easily observe and record physical traits such as eye color, red or white, body color, brown or ebony, and wing shape, full size or vestigial, in the parent flies. Students can then track how these traits are expressed in the offspring. This hands-on approach helps clarify Mendelian genetic concepts. For example, students can simulate breeding the F1 generation and observe the traits in the first generation flies. The fruit fly experiment is featured on the Science Table by Anatomage. All of the experiments on the platform are designed for NGSS standards. For more information, reach out to us at info@science-table.com.